Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zendesk tickets and macros for continuity. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Zendesk tickets, begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel located on the left sidebar. Select the Manage section. Click on Reporting to access your reporting tools. Choose API from the options available. Here, you'll be given instructions on how to use the API for data extraction. To backup tickets, you'll need to utilize the Zendesk API. Make sure you have your API token ready. Open a terminal or command prompt on your computer. Use the curl command to fetch your tickets. The command will look something like this: curl https://your subdomain.zendesk.com/api/v2/. This will retrieve all your ticket data in JSON format. Save the output to a file on your local device. Now let's move on to backing up macros. Return to the admin panel. Select the macros option in the Manage section. Here, you will see a list of all existing macros. You will need to manually copy these macros as Zendesk does not provide a straightforward export function for them. Open a text editor or spreadsheet program. Create a new document or sheet. For each macro, record its name, conditions, and actions in your document. Ensure that you capture every detail accurately for future use. Once you've documented all macros, save your file securely. Now, consider setting a regular schedule for backups to maintain continuity. Repeat this process regularly to ensure you have the most current data. Always be sure to keep your backups in a secure location. Review and refresh your backup process periodically to adapt to any changes in Zendesk functionalities. This proactive approach will help safeguard your essential support data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.